My YouTube channel, and this particular video I'll be talking about Blum airdrop eligibility, when it will get listed, and the price that you could actually use to look at the amount that they will be listed. So if you are seeing it now, you could see it here now that I haven't claimed the air, and I have found around 43,321. So we'll check if I'm eligible with this particular amount, and you could see here also, let me swipe it. You could see here now that I have to tap on here. Am I eligible? Blum airdrop checker. So you could log in to check your airdrop, Blum airdrop eligibility checker. So let me tap on it. You will see it says your path to Blum drops. So these are the criteria that you have to meet up with. The first one is that you have to have more than 100 Blum point, and you have to have at least 750 main points or proof of activities. You have to have at least 2 referrals and pass CB's check. So let me tap on it to see. Okay, now you will see with this particular account I'm missing 2 because this is not my main account. I have not farmed up to 100 Blum points. I have not traded to have 750 main point or proof of activities. I don't have any, at least 2 referrals, but I've passed the CB's check. So let's go on. So I have to do more to actually qualify in this particular. Let me tap here. So I'll be showing you on how to increase your chances of farming. That means if you're able to watch this particular video today, so you have to just sit back. Let me show you some certain things you need to do for you to increase your eligibility here. So if you are someone like me who haven't met up with your Bloom point, one of those things that you can naturally do to meet up with your Blue point is to do all the cinematic video and answer. And I have all these questions. So what you just have to do is that you have to come to this end section here. You tap on this end section. When you scroll up, you could see if I'm able to do all this one. You could say trade Bloom 750. So if I'm able to start this one to trade this Bloom, I'll be able to get direct the 750 main point, and this one blue point chart I'll be getting 250. So that is not all. When it comes to this social, you could see it. You could see that all this point now is all carrying Blum point. You could see 250 here, 250 here. I haven't done all this. I haven't done all this. There are many. So some of it you need code, which I'll also be sharing with you. You see this one I haven't claimed it. I've connected wallet. Let me claim it. It will be adding to it. You could see when we come, let's go to activities. You could see all these one that you seen that you have to watch on YouTube. They have code. I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video. Yes, all the question and the code. You could see all these one. You just have to answer them. You could see these friends. You just all these one I've claimed it. You could see farming. You see all these one. I just have to claim. I haven't claimed them. I just have to tap on them to 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 claim them. It will be adding to my point, you see. So these are some of the code which I'll be dropping in the description of this particular. So do well to look at, to watch them, to know the answer. You could see all cinematic Blum part 1. So you could see all this code. I'll be dropping them in the description of this particular video. So when you watch it, you can actually use them to increase your, to get to 100 points. So, and if you want to get the second one, this that I wasn't able to meet up with, there are 2. You can see now I've now transitioned to around having 44,000 from 43,000. Let me tap on this claim. You see my eligibility was 2. So to meet up with this particular one, so I can just open new account and just refer to friends and just meet up with. On this one I've shown you, or using the synaptic code, you can use it. So how to meet up with this 750 main point or proof of activities is as easy as anything. So what you just have to do, let's go to this end. So if you're able to use this their particular board, this one, you'll be able to earn and trade. You'll be able to earn 750 points. So what you just have to do is just come here and tap on the start. It will take you. You will see I'm already doing it already. So you want to please kindly drop it in the description of this particular video, and don't forget to like, share, and click on the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime I upload any. And you just start. I'll just connect your wallet. You just do it. You can just use it to buy Notcoin and trade it back to your BNB. So with that, you're able to do that. You'll be able to complete all the tasks that you are asked to do on this particular aspect. So talking about the price of Bloom that will be listed, you could see from their Bloom community talk, you could see big update that Bloom pre-market price on MEX exchange is around 0.021. Yes, I tell you, the price that it will get listed will not be actually far from what you are seeing in this particular place. It will not be as far from what you are seeing. So just put your mind and multiply any amount you are having, you'll be able to calculate the amount you'll be expecting. So Bloom is coming by the month of June. Yes, and you just have to meet up with all these criteria before June 7th. So like what I was saying, if you see this account, it say Bloom's this that the Bloom snapshot is happening in the month of June. Bloom snapshot happening at UTC on the June 7th, which is Friday night to Saturday. Mark your calendar. That is when eligibility get finalized. So all these things I've actually shared with you, you have from now until around the 7th of June, which is next week, to meet up with all these criteria. So drop in the comment section if all this about Bloom actually worth it or not. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Thank you. Bye bye for now.